Let's dive deep into the most talked about K-beauty eye serum on the market. Beauty of Joseon's Revive Eye Serum with ginseng and retinol. If you want to get rid of puffy eyes, especially if the under eyes look bloated in the mornings, target those fine lines, and most importantly, a cream that does all of this gently, then you come to the right video. Let's break down exactly what this serum is, the 3 most useful benefits it offers, how to use it for the best results, and I also want to share my experience using it. And also guys, real quick before we get started, it would mean the world to me if you hit the thumbs up button, subscribe only if you enjoyed the content, and turn the bell on to stay up to date with new weekly videos. Now, this video, for full disclosure, is not sponsored. Opinions are my own, but should you wish to check out the eye serum, I left a link for it in the description below as an affiliate, which does support the channel and lets me bring more content just like this for you guys. Did you know that the skin around the eyes is one of the thinnest on the body, with the stratum corneum being on average about 3 layers thick compared to 15 or more layers on other parts of the body? This explains why your under eyes are one of the fastest places on the body that ages. And because the under eye area is more delicate, DNA repair pathways are lower in this region of the face, which perfectly explains actually why this leads to visible aging in the under eye region. Less repair, more aging, right? And not just that, as we age, lymphatic drainage becomes less efficient, leading to a buildup of fluid under the eyes. This is especially noticeable in the morning when the body has been lying flat for hours. So in order to find a solution to this, you need to come up with a serum that actually works in tandem with how your body ages. And currently, the Beauty of Joseon Revive Eye Serum sells 50,000 units on a monthly basis, and that's just off Amazon. There must be a reason for this, and that's why I wanted to test it out on myself. And what can I say off the bat is that it's very lightweight, so it won't leave you greasy. Look at that. The skin just instantly drinks it up. And what sets this serum apart from many others on the market, in my opinion, is its combination of traditional Korean herbal medicine, which is called hanbang ingredients, with modern, clinically proven actives. This is where I think they really shine as a company. For example, guys, if you look at the formulation, you'll find 2 ingredients that immediately stand out. 10% ginseng extract and 2% retinol, and mixing these 2 together is genius. Let me tell you why. Ginseng contains natural compounds called ginsenosides, which have been shown to enhance circulation and oxygen delivery to the skin, helping to drain excess fluid and depuff the under eye area. The keyword here is depuff. And we have scientific literature like this paper here that did a great job in showing that. Secondly, the retinol in the formula supports collagen production and skin renewal, which can help tighten the delicate under eye skin and reduce the sagging appearance that contributes to puffiness. Keyword here is tighten. It also regulates oil production and skin cell turnover, preventing congestion that can make the swelling worse, especially if your concern is under eye swelling. Keep in mind that they use a 2% retinol liposome, which is even more effective when it comes to absorption. I have to give it to Beauty of Joseon for disclosing what percentage they use. A lot of skincare products don't really tell you the percentage, so shout out to them. So let's recap both our keywords, depuff and tighten, and that's what the serum does. But additionally, you get more than just the ginseng and retinol. You also get niacinamides, ceramides, vitamin B5, and peptides. They all work together to strengthen the skin barrier and improve lymphatic drainage. I don't really see this talked about in other videos reviewing this product, is the peptide that they're using. They're using palmitoyl tripeptide 5, which in this scientific paper promotes the synthesis of type 1 and type 2 collagen, as well as inhibiting melanin production by reducing tyrosinase activity, which will be great for what? You guessed it, dark circles. And we've talked about dark circles here in this video where we compare it to under eye fat protrusion, which I recommend you to watch next. And of course, having vitamin B5 in the formula, aka panthenol, will just strengthen the delicate skin around the eyes even more. And since stronger skin is better able to resist fluid accumulation, fat displacement, and sagging, really explains why everyone loves the serum so much. But how would you use it for the best results? I currently just use it as the last step in my skincare routine at night and notice a difference almost immediately with it. So to start, go ahead and clean and dry the skin. After cleansing your face and applying your toner or essence, take 1 to 2 pumps of the serum, and trust me, a little goes a long way. Try to avoid touching the tip of the applicator as best as you can. And go ahead and gently tap it around the eye area using your ring finger, as this finger applies the least pressure and prevents unnecessary tugging in the under eye region. If you're new to retinol, start by using this 2 to 3 times a week and gradually increase it to nightly use as your skin builds tolerance to it. And in the morning, always apply sunscreen, as retinol makes the skin more sensitive to UV light. So can everyone use this eye serum then? The short answer is yes, with a few considerations. Because it contains retinol, which is stronger than traditional retinol, those with very sensitive skin might need to introduce it slowly. That's why I recommend just 2 to 3 times a week until you work up to nightly use. However, I will say that unlike many other retinol-based eye creams, this formula includes calming and moisturizing ingredients like niacinamide and panthenol, which help prevent irritation. I've never had any issues with it, and I'm using it every night. And for dry and mature skin, this is also an excellent choice because it delivers deep hydration while actively working to smooth your fine lines. But if you have oily or a combination skin, you'll also love it because it's lightweight and absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy residue. It currently sits on Amazon for $17, which I mean, for everything it does, I feel like personally is more on a budget friendly than some of those $100 serums that may or may not work. The good part is you can also use it for the neck region too if you're concerned with skin signs of neck aging, which if you want, I can make a separate video about. Just let me know in the comments below. But there you have it, guys, a complete breakdown of Beauty of Joseon's Revive Eye Serum. From its anti-aging retinol to its hydrating ginseng and peptide, this serum is an incredible option for anyone looking to brighten, smooth, depuff, and refresh their under eye area. Have you guys tried this one out yet? Let me know in the comments, and if you found this video helpful, click the subscribe button and turn the bell on to stay up to date with new weekly videos. And until then, guys, I'll see you on the next one.